Morning guys, it's another beautiful day in Cape Town and me and Raya are heading off to meet our personal trainer. We've had a couple of sessions already and yeah, as you may know, we're trying to get fit whilst we're here in Cape Town. We're trying to, yeah, get healthy, get fit, and this guy's a legend, so we're going to be working out like a couple of times a week with him and yeah. I'm excited. It's the first time in my life I've had like a regular exercise routine. That was a good workout. Oh, I feel wobbly. Oh man. Okay guys, I've made my way over to the other side and I'm hanging out with Kyle and Bryn. And we are just watching this crazy weather rolling in. What did you say? This is a lightning storm?
Yeah, it's supposed to be a bit of lightning and thunder coming in. I mean, you can see it here on the
Oh, I heard a little rumble then. Is that a rumble?
Super bizarre weather.
It was basically, there was a storm like 2 nights ago. It was last night, there was lightning.
Yeah.
It rained 2 days ago and then last night there was like some little lightning flashes, but I didn't see any rain or hear any thunder. But yeah, this is mad. This cloud's coming in. This lightning is insane. We're setting up a little time lapse. Guys, if you don't know Bryn, he's an amazing videographer.
I try.
And he is going to make a series on his channel where he's like asking different people stuff about their profession.
Just
tips on things. And obviously, like, I guess one of my skills has become vlogging because I've been doing it for so long. So we're going to do a whole video on his channel, like tips from me about vlogging. So as we're preparing and planning that, we need some ideas of what do you specifically want to know about vlogging, any tips you want to know, ask in the comments below, then we're going to check those out.
Anything.
And then in the next couple of weeks, hopefully, we'll get this video online for you. So
soon.
I'll let you know. So anyway, comment below. Guys, Ben has just arrived. I had everyone asking for more vlogs of these, so here we go. Nice. Here he is.
Awesome.
And you've had a bit of a rough start to the year, haven't you, bro?
Yeah, I managed to have a bit of a mishap. We won't go into the details,
okay.
But I was buggering around and fractured my elbow. It's still a little
bruised. Is it hurt? Is it feel bruised?
Bro.
Is it feel bruised?
Yeah, occasionally, like when I wake up in the night and it just feels like someone's punching my arm. And you know when you hit your funny bone?
Yeah.
That's what it feels like half the time.
Oh,
but
man.
It's gonna be fine. I'm starting to get a little bit more movement.
It started raining, guys. There's some raindrops. This is exciting.
That means we can have a shower now.
Yeah.
We got no water. Get the soap out, guys. Get the soap out.
Yeah, guys, water crisis. This is like a miracle when it rains here. It's like, bring it, bring the rain. I'm not a fan of rain because obviously I come from the UK, but here I'm a fan of rain. Oh. Woo! Oh my gosh, this is like a tropical rainstorm.
Awesome.
Guys, look at these clouds above us. Have you ever seen anything like that? This is amazing. Being in a swimming pool in the rain in Cape Town right now.
No, I feel like I'm in.
Look at this. Look at this. Don't know if I can leave my camera out. It's just too wet.
To grab it.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh my word, I hope you got that. Were you filming that direction?
What?
Lola fell in the pool on the side.
No.
I hope you got that.
The pool is so warm. This is so warm.
I need this.
I don't think I've ever been so happy to see rain. Just because I know what it means for people here, you know. Yeah, it's lovely. Okay, the rain has stopped. The storm is still kind of swirling around a bit. Just really crazy weather, guys. I haven't seen anything like this. I think it is rare for Cape Town. And Raya has arrived. She's been working today after our workout this morning. How was it this morning anyway?
What, the workout?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was really good. It's like, you can feel it, which is good. I feel like we're again going to be really sore tomorrow.
Yeah.
I'm
The
glad
dude,
we worked this hard.
I'll introduce you to our personal trainer. His name's Marlo, isn't it?
Yeah.
He's cool, he's really cool. I think we just want to get into it a little bit first, and then I'll start talking you through the exercises he's got us doing, and we're going to do some training outside as well, not all in that CrossFit gym. But we are heading off now. Well, it's windy. We're heading to this girl Melissa's house, and she's going to cook us a vegan meal. And yeah, I think she's a very good cook, apparently. Tell us about Melissa before we get there. What do we need to know? Tell people in my vlog as well.
Ben, what's a word to describe Melissa?
Well, she's also known as the Truffle Journal, and she's a food blogger, and she's an amazing woman, incredible chef, and she's about to go and feed this. We're about to go get fed, basically, with some a food. But she's a powerhouse as well. She's like a female powerhouse.
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is serious, guys. This is Melissa. Hey.
Hi!
Look at this.
This is so cool.
This is your vibes, isn't it, Raya?
Yeah, totally. My Pinterest board looks like this, basically. Best life. Well, welcome to my humble abode.
Thank you.
You're gonna get
This
thin
whole place
and
is goals.
thin.
It is so goals.
Perfect.
Dinner is served. Mel, tell us what you've prepared for us here.
So you have roasted sweet potato, red onion, aubergine, and balsamic roasted tomatoes in a brown and wild rice base with rocket, nice and fiery to fire up the digestive system. And then you've got pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds on the top, and it's with a tahini dressing.
Ooh.
Wow.
Yeah, my mouth was watering whilst I was watching you prepare it. I was like, oh. Before we eat anything, Instagram. Okay, guys, moment of truth.
I'm nervous.
No, come on.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's amazing. And I'm gonna give this back to you now so I can keep eating.
Guys, just quickly, go and check out Mel. I'm gonna link her below. Go and check her stuff out. She is, yeah, I'm only just getting to know her, but she's an amazing person.
Yeah.
And a great cook. What's for dessert?
So for dessert, we've got dark chocolate, almond butter, and dates.
Ooh.
And we're gonna layer them and make a sandwich. It's happening.
Okay, I'm ready. Also guys, great news. The rain is continuing. It's like raining again outside. There's still lightning and stuff as well. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Thank you.
And just get involved with all the things that are going to happen.
Is it a taste explosion in your mouth?
Yeah. It's layers of flavor.
So this is like a slab of chocolate with a date on top and then the almond butter on top of that.
I'm out of the moment.
That's delicious. Guys, I've been standing out here trying to shoot slow-mo of the lightning, and the lightning bolt just hit this building right in front of us. All the lights just went out. And I'm like literally shaking. I thought I'd been shot. It was so loud. Oh, I don't think I've ever been that close to a lightning bolt.
How crazy was the heat? I can feel the heat. I can feel like the static.
Flipping it. That was just crazy. I'm full on shaking. I'm actually full on shaking.
Oh my gosh, that was.
What do we do? Those poor buggers.
Bryn though.
Yeah.
Oh, look. The fuse box must have just got tripped and then they just put it back on. This is so crazy.
I'm gonna get my fishing rod.
Question is, where is the lightning going to strike next?
Hopefully not our building.
Guys, we're back home and it's been a really chill day but really nice, especially to see Ben. I know he's having a rough time right now with his elbow and recovering, and I want to spend a lot more time with him. I also want to try and get more regular vlogs. I know I've been pretty sporadic, but I guess I'm trying to adjust to like having a base now and waking up in the same place every day, and some of the days we're not going out and doing exciting things every day. I'm like just getting on with some work. We're doing things like, you know, working out and just trying to bring more, I don't know, just working on my kind of self, like I've said, just my fitness and just getting some routine. And but I know not all of you are interested in that part of my life, but I will actually show you in the coming weeks just some day-to-day stuff I'm doing now, like my routine. It sounds weird saying that word because I literally haven't had any for 5 years, but this is a new journey for me and I'll try and take you guys along. I don't find a lot of it particularly inspirational to like vlog about, but I guess this is my life right now, so I'm going to vlog about some of it. And don't worry, there's some exciting trips and traveling and friends coming over to South Africa and loads of stuff I will be vlogging, but it's just quiet right now, which is okay. Anyway, I will catch you guys probably not tomorrow because it's Valentine's Day and I'm taking the day off with Raya, but probably the next day. Peace out, enjoy life and live the adventure. Boom.